Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the account before touching cookies. That keeps you in control. First, confirm your Roblox email and reset a weak password now. Use a strong, unique passphrase. Next, update your browser and work on a trusted device because cookies live in the browser. Finally, enable two-step verification or an authenticator app so that even if a cookie is exposed, attackers cannot access your account. These steps prevent problems later and set a safe baseline. Once done with account prep, you manage cookies in browser to control access. Open Settings, go to Privacy or Site Data, then find Roblox. COM entries, delete or clear those cookies if you need a clean session. Make sure to block third-party cookies to reduce tracking and use a separate browser profile for gaming to isolate session data. If you need to save state, export cookies using a trusted export tool. But remember, keep exports encrypted and never share them. To finish, you close remaining risks and validate access. Log out of all other sessions from your Roblox security settings and immediately change your password once more. That invalidates stolen cookies. Then test login in a fresh browser session to confirm everything works. Make sure account alerts and email notifications are enabled so you notice suspicious activity. If something goes wrong, do a password reset, revoke third-party app access, and contact Roblox support for account recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.